Hey everyone, just making a quick video. A few days ago I was trying to find out where this cracking, popping noise was coming from. Obviously it was a front end issue, so with this big lift on this SUV, I really thought it was the shocks or, sway bar, any of the end links, even the leaf spring. So I started spraying it, left and right, but coming to a conclusion where the popping was actually coming from right here under my feet. So with these excursions, one thing is, sorry about the beeping, one thing is that the mounts from body to frame are right there. Those are the bolts for it, and they're all going to be underneath the carpet, and there's, I believe, 12 of them. Now going under the truck, you'll see that that bolt belongs to that mount right there, and that's where it was popping, and it was really tight. So I figured, the bushing's bad, and it's about to be changed, but looking at the bushing, it's pretty solid. Somebody had changed that a while back, so I loosened it up a little bit, and the popping I thought was still going to be there, but let's see if we can hear the popping. Now the other side, the passenger side, still pops a little bit. I'm going to work on that next, but this one I did spray with a lot of the lubricant, which is silicone based lubricant, and let's see, let's move the car back and forth and let's see if it pops or makes any type of noise. So let's get in here. Oh, let's put the carpet back. And it was very, very hard to loosen that bolt up, so you're gonna need a lot of power. So before, every time I would hit the brake hard, you would hear a cracking, popping noise right there. Now let's see. Now it's in reverse, and I'm going to let go of the brake, and we'll go back and forth a little bit and braking hard, and we'll see what happens. No popping, and I'm pressing the brake all the way. Now forward, out and drive. I'm going to move forward again. No popping. Now I did make a video earlier, a couple of weeks ago, about the noise, and I had a helper that day, so he got into the truck while I was filming, and all the noise I thought were coming from the suspension. I mean, this thing's got a big lift on it, big wheels, big old tires. It's an old truck. It's a 2000 model, so I thought all of the popping noise was coming from any of these components. But nope, none of these. So we found the problem, and it was definitely the body to frame mount, and it was just dry. It wasn't old, it wasn't dry rotted, and I will show on the other side that it was not old, it was not dry rotted. This side was actually worse, and what I did is I sprayed some of this silicone lubricant, and it did pretty good for that side. So this morning I sprayed some on this side, so I loosened it up a bit. Now you see that these bushings, they're pretty solid. I don't see any cracking, I don't see any dry rotting, nothing like that. So I don't think it was the bushing. It was definitely too tight, or that whoever put it in either did not put it correctly, or it was bent or crooked. So it was pretty noisy, and you'll see at a small clip that I'm going to add to this video how loud it was. But right now, you guys heard it. No popping, no cracking. So hope this video helped everyone who had this problem. And I know it's a pain in the butt to get to these from the floorboard, but it's worth it. Try this before you change any other components, because God knows I changed a bunch of components in the front suspension, and it ended up being just these two, loosening up, putting some lubricant, and tightening it back up. So I hope this helped everyone who had this problem. Definitely helped me.